In this video, I'm going to show you how to change attachments on a Kobalt 24-volt brushless attachment capable string trimmer. To change attachments or change the angle of the string trimmer head to use it for edging, you need to undo this wing nut here and look on the shaft for this little pin here. Push this in and that will come out. Now with your new attachment, you can line it up in the same position, bring it in until that little button lines up with the hole. If you want to use this for edging purposes, push that button down and then turn it until it clicks into place on this hole here. And then you can just tighten up this wing nut and now you're ready to go and edge or use your other attachment. When you buy an attachment for your Kobalt string trimmer, make sure this button right here is on the right hand side of the string trimmer as you're looking down it, or on the top. The reason being, if it's not on the right hand side here or on the top, you won't be able to secure it in place, or you might end up having it at a funny angle. A lot of these attachments actually have a button on the left hand side. So when you're looking for attachments, make sure you do get one that is compatible with this Kobalt 24-volt string trimmer.